Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to a brand new week, and today's video is going to be called Setups of the Week. I got two beautiful setups that I want to, analyze, show you what I got and why I think they're very high probability setups with a little bit of price action and technical analysis that you really kind of need to understand. So I'm excited to break these down for you. So if you guys can leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you guys can catch the move with me if you guys don't want to join the academy, which is open still up until the end of August. So enjoy. So we're going to start on GBP USD, right? And there's a couple of things to kind of, look at this pair, right? And that's one, we're going to start off on the higher time frames. You guys know I do top-down analysis, right? And there's key levels that I've drawn on, right? I've marked off the highs of the weekly, right? The weekly highs up all the way up here. The highs of the previous daily, right? There's an area support and resistance right here. You can see price likes to reject this level a lot right here, two times right here, and we have price come up with this wick and tap into that level again precisely, right? Precision is what we want. And then now we have this level all the way down here that keeps getting rejected. So as of last night, we had a daily candle push under this level, come back up, and now close back above, right? Close back above, weekly bearish, kind of giving us some, indication that we could start building some bullish momentum coming off this level, right? You can see that every single time we touch this level, we reject it harshly, right? Up here, up in this 1.266 level, dropped, I could probably say it's over 150 pips, 360 pips, which is crazy. Last time we came and retested this level, we flew up 500 pips, it's going to look like. 500 pips, and now currently at this level we rejected it once already over here and once again just yesterday with this beautiful bullish closure. Last time we got a bullish closure like that, we went bullish. We have that closure again, and I do believe that we're potentially gonna go bullish now, right? Now Alex, what are you talking about? Because we have a bearish structure down here, right? We have bearish structure down here, but if you look in the weekly time frame, we still haven't broken any new lows, right? And the higher time frame is always going to dictate the trend, so we can see that this is technically, right, still a very steep pullback to the 0.886 right here, 1 wick, 2 wicks, right? So that's kind of what I'm looking at. We also managed to come down and tap into the 20 SMA, which is, confluence is building on top of each other, right? We have this confluence with the daily. Now, where would I enter, right? That's the key question, Alex. Where would you enter? Right, and where I would enter is when there's a break of structure on the 4-hour, right? So if I want to go bullish, right, I want to find a pivot point to break, which would be this one right here, right? This is lower high, we'd be breaking above that high, making new highs, right? So if you take structure here, right, we kind of forming structure right here, right? You can also see that there's also a level here to be respected, right? You can see these wicks to the upside, a wick to the upside. So we're kind of in this range down here. We're in this range down here. So the second price pushes up, comes down to retest. I do believe price is going to fly first to the 1.28183 level all the way up here, right? But I do think that this trade does indeed have potential to make it around this level. Secondly, 1.28727, and then eventually, hopefully, price can eventually push up more like a swing trade to the 1.31254 level, the weekly highs, right? Weekly highs. So there's just a bunch of bullish momentum kind of stirring up right now. I feel as though what we got last night is beautiful because we have nice price action at a beautiful area. Last time we got a wick like that and closed above, just like we did here, we ended up going bullish, right? And there's also one more thing that I actually saw, and that's this inverted head and shoulders right here. You can see that shoulders created, heads created, shoulders created again. I do believe we're going to come up, retest the neckline, which I teach in the academy, right? We're going to retest this neckline, and then again, I do believe that we're going to go up. So that's going to be the move I'm waiting for. This is a very high probability setup. I love this setup. I'm going to be taking this trade the second we break and retest this level. And yeah, we'll be called out in the Discord. Now we're going to move on to JPY. GBP JPY is textbook, right? It really is textbook. So last night I had a different setup kind of, forming. Didn't really happen, but we can see that price right here have created new highs. We've broken above weekly highs currently. We're breaking above daily highs. Last week, we created a higher high, came down, rejected an area, and then we started pushing bullish, just like I predicted for so long. Like, even if you look at my last videos, I had GJ coming up to these highs the entire time, right? And now we've created, we've created higher highs all the way up here, right? Now, what am I waiting for? What would I wait for? What am I waiting for? Let's go back and have that zone that we drew. right? We're gonna come back and have the zone review, and you can see that, you know, I'm gonna want price to come down and retest this level right here. We've created highs, right? And you know, this trade is a little more clear on the 4-hour. You know, we had this range, right? This is the previous weekly high. These are the highs that it's made, right? We rejected them, but this time we didn't reject them. We actually pushed up. And we've created higher highs all the way up here. Now, you guys know that if we're going to be continuing, this bullish trend, I do believe price is going to have to pull back, tap into this level, and then continue to go up. Take profits are probably going to be short-lived. If we're going to buy down here, I'm going to want to take profits at these highs right here because we're in no man's land, right? Last time we touched back up into this area all the way over here, you know, was 2015, which is fucking crazy. All right, so we're at all-time highs since 2015, right? The pound's been rallying. You know, we've had this big bullish push, which is really crazy. So we created new highs, but I think we're in a bullish trend. I think we're going to pull back into this level. Even if you set the Fibonacci right, perfect. Moving average is kind of going to line up with that level. So this is where I'm going to go long, right? I'm going to simply set and forget. I'm going to grab this alert. I'm going to set an alert right here for GBP JPY at my area of interest. I'm going to go to GBP USD, and I'm going to set an alert as we break that level right there, right? Also, another confluence that we do have on GU is that if we do break above, we're going to start breaking above these moving averages, right? So it's going to be very nice. You know, everything's going to be in confluence, and I'm going to look to go long on this area, right? This is a beautiful area. Price action, technical analysis, read the candles. What is it telling you? What is it going to do? So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick setup of the week video. I'm actually going to vlog Wednesday. I tore some ligaments in my foot, so I'm going to be vlogging my, you know, little gym workout with a breakdown also, because yeah, not fun, right? I'm gonna show you how I get around. My foot looks crazy. I could show you guys, really. I could like show you guys. Sorry, beat pics for free, but you can see it's like bruise all in here, man. Crazy. Look at it. All right, whatever. So that's my foot. It looks crazy. It looks literally even worse in person, but I'm in a boot. I can't walk. But anyway, that's it. I'm gonna stop talking to you guys. GBP USD, GBP JPY. Watch these levels because I'm telling you what we predict is going to happen. Deuces.